When we talk about packages in Java, it's less exciting than packages in everyday life. We don't mean packages like these. But let's unbox what packages mean in Java. Packages are a structure to group or classes. They're a bit like folders in your file directory. In fact, when you create a package, a folder is being created as well. But it's more than just a folder. We can create classes that are not part of a package. At least, so it seems. If you don't create a package, Java will put these classes in a default package. Let's see how to create a package and what this does to our code. Our account class is in a package called structure. You can see this on the first line. It defines the package structure. But you can also see it in the project structure on the left, where you have Java, and under there is this folder icon with a hole in it with the name structure. This is a package. But our main should not really be in the structure package. It should probably be in the Java package, which means I would be moving it to a default package since there is no package that's on top. So if I move this one to Java, and I'm just going to say refactor, you can see that this one is now no longer part of a package because there is no package statement on the first line. Let's create a new package. I'm going to right click on Java, say new package, and let's call this package example for now. If I'm going to move my main inside the example for now, I'm going to do refactor. You can see that the first line changes to package example. So classes that are part of a package always start with the package statement as the first executable statement of the Java file. So it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to have a main in a package called example, and actually it's not that bad to have it in structure since this is the module of the course that we're at. So I'm going to move my main back to structure and I'm going to delete the example, but not before I showed you that this is what it looks like in my file explorer as well. Here you can see my Java course folder, and in the source we have our main, here's Java, and as you can see we have both a folder example and structure. I'm going to delete example here, and as you will see it's also going to be deleted from my file structure. We have just created a package ourselves. Why would we want that, you may wonder? Packages come with some advantages. We can group our classes and organize our application better. In one group of classes, we need to have unique class names, but double class names are allowed to exist amongst different packages. And lastly, we can import the classes of a certain package all in one go. Again, this helps to organize our application. So we just created a custom package, but Java actually comes with a lot of built-in packages with a lot of built-in code for us to use. We call these Java APIs sometimes. We can import packages into our application with the import keyword. You've already seen that we were using the import structure.account when we were using the account in our main class outside of the structure package. You can still see it on line 3. However, we are in the structure package again, so we no longer need this line. But say that in this method I wanted to use a special built-in class called local date, which is used for creating dates. You can see that as soon as I try to use this, it's actually going to import the java.time.localDate. The java.time is the package where the class localDate is in, and we need to import it if we want to use it in our class. We could also import the entire package in one go. And now we're importing all the classes in this package. Is that a good thing? Well, in this case, definitely not, since we're only using one. And now we're importing a whole lot of stuff that we don't need. But you must know that this is a way of importing all the classes in one go of a certain package. We need to import whatever is not part of our package. So it doesn't matter whether this is a built-in Java API, such as the ones you're seeing here, or a class of ourselves that lives in a different package. We'd have to import both of these. At this point, we've seen some of the high-level building blocks of Java applications. It may not come as a surprise to you that there are some more important building blocks, but they will reveal themselves later. The building blocks we've seen so far are classes, class members, and packages. For now, we have enough basic building blocks to zoom in on some other concepts. But first, let's zoom out for a second there and look at the structure of a basic application based on what we know so far.